This is what a couple of Vauxhall codes mean. There's code 82. That means you're due for a service. If you check my other videos out, I've got a reset procedure for that. Press the set clear button on the end of the stalk and you're back to the dash. Now then, at the moment we've got the handbrake on, ignition on. If you try and start it, it won't start, and it comes up with the flashing foot pedal there. That means press the clutch to get it to start. That's all that is. But if, when you start it, there we go, clutch in and it starts. If you try and release the handbrake, let's get rid of that service code. Try and release the handbrake, comes up with code 6 and the flashing pedal as well. Press the clutch, press the button, still got code 6. There's nothing wrong with your handbrake. You press the brake, then press the park brake release, the light goes out, the code has gone. That's all code 6 is. And then on this particular model, we turn the side lights on, we've got code 22. Code 22 on this, it's a Meriva. It's the inside rear side light on the boot lid on the driver's side. So to clear that, you've got to change the bulb. That's all there is to it. That's those 3 codes. I've got other Vauxhall fault codes videos. If you want to have a look at those, have a look at my channel, my other videos. Just search for Vauxhall code meaning and you'll find those. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.